Welcome to the Microsoft SQL Server Connector Quickstart Guide. In this video, we will show the installation and configuration of the Microsoft SQL Server Connector and an example of a remote data relay connection. The remote data relay is a secure service running in the cloud, enabling cloud-hosted versions of BPA Platform to connect to a variety of on-premises resources outside of any internal networks. These resources can range from a remote BPA Platform Client connecting to a BPA Platform Server hosted in the cloud, enabling a BPA Platform Connector to interact with data within a database or application running on an on-premises server, and also a trigger event agent executing tasks on a BPA Platform Server as a result of activity on an on-premises database. Before starting this install, you will require BPA Platform 2023, Microsoft SQL Server Connector Agent, Microsoft SQL Server Connector Tool, Microsoft SQL Server version 2014 or above. Firstly, we will open the Microsoft SQL Server Connector folder. We will begin by running the installer for the Connector tool. Click Next. For this demonstration, we will keep the install path as default. Click Next, then click Install, and then click Finish. After the tool installation, we will repeat this procedure for the agent, and then click Finish. As part of this demonstration, we will configure the remote data relay as if the agent is located as part of a cloud-based installation. To begin, navigate to Local Disk, Program Files x86, Microsoft SQL Server Connector Agent, and then run the Remote Data Relay setup. In the pop-up, click Yes. From here, we will click Configuration, Microsoft SQL Server Connector Service. We will begin the process of creating a key. Let's click Add a new configuration. We will enter the name Relay Node. Next, we will enter our Relay Node URL. This is a unique URL string generated for your installation. For more information on this, please see the documentation. Then click Test Connection to ensure it is working correctly. And click Save. With the key generated, we will need to transfer this to the global connection within BPA Platform. We can either export the key as a file or simply copy it to clipboard. In BPA Platform, navigate to Tools, Data Connectors, Microsoft SQL Server Connector. Click Add New Connection. We will enter the name Relay Connection. Next, click the Agent Connection General Node. If you are connecting to an on-premise agent, here is where you will enter the location of the agent on the same network as BPA Platform. But for this demonstration, we will click the Use Remote Data Relay option for a BPA Platform in the cloud connecting to an on-premise agent scenario. Let's click Relay Settings. Click Paste from Clipboard to import our relay key from the previous step. Alternatively, you can import your relay key from a file. We now need to copy the connection public key and copy to clipboard. Back in the Remote Data Relay setup, on the right, in the Connections pane, we will enter a connection name. Then in the connection public key, click Paste from Clipboard. We can see the key has now been imported. click Save, and in the pop-up, click Yes to restart these services. And we can see the connection in the list. Click to close the data relay setup, and then OK. Finally, click Test Connection, and once connected, we can proceed. Moving on to the SQL Server Connection General node, we will configure the server connection details. Enter your server address. For us, this is the machine name dev, and then enter your authentication credentials. We can now click Test Connection to ensure the details are correct. Moving on to the database node, we need to select the appropriate database. And then click Load Cache. Click OK to finish. This concludes the installation and configuration of the connector. See our other videos for information on the Business Object Designer, Freehand Query Object, and a brief demonstration of the tool within a task. And that's it for this Quick Start guide. If you require more information, please see any accompanying documentation and the tool white papers. For further assistance, please contact your account manager or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.